a thermometer is a device used to measure degree of hotness or temperature of a body. A thermometer is shown in the given figure. The thermometer bulb is filled with thermometer liquid. Students, the liquid expands due to heat and passes into the capillary, showing the temperature of the body. The long tube inside is called the capillary tube, which is graduated to a scale with the help of which we measure the degree of hotness of a body or the temperature. The bulb is generally filled with thermometer liquid. Usually, mercury is used as thermometer liquid. A construction near the bulb of the thermometer prevents immediate fall of liquid due to gravity. Dear students, there are various kinds of thermometer which may have different materials in it. Every material is unique and explains the temperature at a particular place or body. For the measurement of temperature, we use scales. The two commonly used scales are Celsius or centigrade scale and Fahrenheit scale. There is another scale, that is the Kelvin scale. The centigrade scale or Celsius scale is represented as degree centigrade and Fahrenheit scale as degree Fahrenheit. Students, most thermometers are made on the principle that the liquids expand due to heat. Now, let us enumerate the importance of a thermometer. Students, the thermometer has the following importance. It helps in measuring temperature. It is used in measuring the body temperature. It is used in measuring temperature of air. It is used in measuring the temperature of an aquarium. And it is used in measuring room temperature as well. Different materials are used in different kinds of thermometer. The purpose and requirement may differ for the special kind of thermometer as they are constructed. Some of the thermometer liquids are explained below. First, mercury. Students, mercury is a liquid metal and has specific gravity of 13.6. It does not attach with the surface of capillary tube and it is very sensitive to heat. It has a boiling point of about 357 degrees centigrade and freezing point of minus 39 degrees centigrade. Mercury is mostly used in thermometers. The following are the reasons responsible for its popularity. Mercury is a good conductor of heat. It has a uniform expansion and contraction. It does not wet the wall of the capillary because it is not adhesive. It shines and is easy to read. It does not get attached with the capillary tube. It remains in liquid state over a large range of temperature. Students, alcohol is also a thermometer liquid very commonly used. Alcohol has less specific gravity, which is 5.6, and boils at 78.3 degrees centigrade. Its freezing point is minus 112 degrees centigrade. It is usually used to measure very low temperatures since mercury thermometer cannot measure the temperature below minus 39 degrees centigrade. On the other hand, alcohol thermometer cannot measure high temperatures. It cannot measure even the boiling point of water because it boils at 78.3 degrees centigrade, whereas the boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade. Students, alcohol in the thermometer can be colored to be read easily. In some thermometers, alcohol is used. The following are the basic reasons of using alcohol as thermometer liquid. It is transparent, therefore it has to be colored before it is used. It has a high specific heat. It is adhesive, therefore it wets the capillary of the thermometer. It does not have uniform expansion, and it remains liquid over a small range of temperature. Students, to summarize, mercury or alcohol is used as thermometer liquid. They are good conductors of heat. Students, let us now determine the boiling point of water. For that, let us perform this activity. Students, for this we need the materials: round-bottomed flask, a thermometer, a L-shaped tube, a stand and clamp, a tripod stand and a burner. Now let us look at what we must do. That is the procedure. Fill half of the round-bottom flask with water. Fix a thermometer and an L-shaped tube at its mouth. The thermometer should not touch the boiling water. Remember that the thermometer should not touch the boiling water. Now supply heat by the burner. Note down the temperature of thermometer every minute. The temperature remains fixed at the end. This is the boiling point of water. Students, the boiling point of water varies with its purity, altitude, and so on. Normally, the boiling point of water is more in higher altitude. For pure water, at sea level, the boiling point is 100 degrees centigrade. After the determination of the boiling point of water, let us determine the melting point of ice. For this, the materials required are a funnel, a thermometer, stand and clamp, and a beaker. Now here is the procedure. Students, fix the apparatus as shown in the figure here. The bulb of the thermometer is inside the ice. The funnel is tightly fitted with the clamp. Now measure the temperature every minute. The thermometer temperature remains fixed as the ice begins to melt for some time. This temperature is the melting point of ice.